Hi guys, good evening. Can you guys confirm if I'm audible to all of you firstly?
Yes, you are
Yes.
audible. Hey, good
Yes,
evening.
you're
Yes. Okay, fine. So basically, how many of you are here for Power BI and SQL because you guys know why you are learning? Let's see. Basically, my demo is divided into 4 sessions. First day is just interactive session, so that everyone is on the same page and very clear why are we here. Okay. Just a quick introduction we will have, and then we will have demo sessions. I'll give you all what sessions are going to be on the next 3 demo sessions as well. So can you guys tell me how many of you are here? You can just quickly raise your hands as well. How many of you are here and very sure why you are learning SQL and Power BI? Not because friends suggested. How many of you are clear that you're learning Power BI and SQL? Okay. Any working IT employees here? Guys, you can't be on mute. Be interactive. It's at 9 IST. So mostly you'll be sleepy if you're not talking. Okay. Any IT
Yeah,
working?
this is. My name is Krishna. I'm not in. No, I'm non-IT, but I
Mm-hmm.
work for a corporate company for several years.
Okay.
I, yeah,
Okay, fine.
I
Anyone
don't know how to
else?
raise my hand over there here. That's why I just came on directly unmuted.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I see a lot of people saying that they want to switch from non-IT to IT. Okay. Anyone else?
Yeah, hi. May I know your name?
So I'm the trainer here. I'm Devi.
Yeah, hi Devi. I am a pharma IT. Um,
Mhm.
why I choose Power BI is it is non-coding. I want to move from pharma IT to technical. So far, I choose this Power BI.
Okay, sounds great.
Yeah, thank you.
So anyone else? Just be interactive, guys. You can feel free to talk. That's okay. Any language is fine. Any language, matlab you cannot talk in all the languages. Hindi, English, Telugu is fine.
Hi Devi.
Mm-hmm.
This is Swati. I'm logged in here from UK. I
Mm-hmm.
have 6 years of IT experience with IBM and almost 10
Mm-hmm.
years of break after that. I got
What
married.
technology were you working in IPM?
I was with IBM with mainframes.
Okay. Got it.
So after kids and all, I have to come back to the IT. So
Mm-hmm.
I was not
Mainframes
into
is something like front end, right?
no, I was into mainframe support.
Okay, got it. Then it's great. Fine.
So not into never in the development environment. So I don't want to choose it now right from scratch. So I've
Mm-hmm.
chosen some reporting tools would be helpful for me.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
Thank you.
Okay. So basically, I want to tell you guys something. People say that it's non-coding, but it's formula based. There's no coding here as such, but it's formula based. Okay. And coming to the data, most of you say that you're non-IT, 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 right? Why do you say that you're non-IT, guys? Because you come from civil background, something like that, right? Yes or no? Some comes from the civil background, some comes from the agriculture BSc, something like that. So you call yourself as non-IT, correct? You
Yes.
think that only computer science is IT, correct?
No,
Yes,
if somebody
David.
is working on IT, also IT, right?
Sorry,
Somebody is working on IT, also IT, right?
IT in the
Without
sense, what do
any
you mean by
background, any.
without any see? I'm talking about non-IT. Why people say that we are non-IT is maybe they feel like they're coming from civil background, civil engineering or agriculture, and they think that they don't know computers, so they feel like they're non-IT. That's what I'm saying. Okay, fine. But basically, guys, when it comes to analytics and AI, let me be very clear to all of you. Suppose if I have to analyze a data, so I have a Ratnadeep store. Suppose I'm the owner of the Ratnadeep store. Okay. So I have a lot of branches, right? I think all of you knows it. I have a lot
Yes.
of branches.
Yes, Devi.
Yes.
Correct. So end of the day, will I go to each and every store and collect all the bills and sit and count whole night, or do I want things to get automated?
Automate is the option.
Correct. So being a Ratnadeep store owner and want to know that data doesn't mean I have to be an IT person, right?
Yes.
Correct. But for example, I have a software engineer who knows Power BI and SQL well, and I am the business person. So tell me, who knows that business better? The business who kept, the owner of the business will understand the business better, or the person who is analyzing the data will understand it faster?
Who will analyze the data will know the faster.
So not the owner of the business.
No.
I think
Seriously?
owner of the business.
Owner of the business.
Exactly. Owner of the business knows what is happening better because he always does the purchasing and he does investment. That's why I told logical thinking. Okay. And another note. Okay. Shruti, based on yours, what scenario I'll give you is, for example, now I have some person from pharma here, right? Komali, I think you are from pharma. There's someone who said.
Yes, Divya.
Correct. You're from pharma. Very good.
Yeah.
So now when you're from pharma, so I have a pharma related data. I want to
Okay.
analyze pharma related data, guys. Okay. Now let's have Komali here. She knows pharma related how things goes, and she also is learning SQL and Power BI now. Correct?
Yes,
Now we
Divya.
have Krishna Kishore also. Kishore, you are into what domain?
I'm into admin banking and working as an
See, you are into
executive
admin.
assistant.
Okay, fine. Suppose we
Yeah.
will imagine that Krishna already knows SQL and Power BI. Okay, Krishna Kishore already knows SQL and Power BI. Now, but I'm giving pharma data to Komali and Krishna now. Tell me who will understand data faster. Forget about the technologies. Who will understand data faster, pharma related?
Of course, Komali.
Of course, Komali.
Of course, Komali, right?
Yeah.
Why? Because she can understand the data faster. Now, coming to the technology, both of them are learning SQL and Power BI.
Hmm.
So data side, Komali is having advantage. Now, tool side,
Krishna.
both of you are learning, right?
Yeah, okay.
Now, when combined, if you look at data as well as work, who can work faster? See, compare it. When it comes to data, Krishna will be slow, Komali will be faster. When it comes to technology, both of them will be same. So who is working faster now on pharma data?
Komali.
Komali, right? Similarly, suppose you
Obviously,
are
Komali.
analyzing a data related to civil engineering. So if you are from that domain, you will work faster.
Yes.
That's why whenever you observe something, let me open Chrome. 1 second. Let me cross check if some other tabs. Let me share the screen. Guys, I'm being very frank to you guys in between. Suppose if you ask some question, if you feel like the answer was harsh, don't mind. Because I'll be very genuine. I'll openly say whether you can opt it or not opt it based on your scenarios. Okay. I don't really want to bluff. I'm that kind of a person where I really don't want to bluff and waste your time in your life. Try for something else. Please don't waste your time. Okay. So now when we have Naukri account, did you ever see that they always keep it as any graduation? Did you observe when job openings are there?
Yes.
I don't know how many of you have observed it. Say, I'll just type Power BI. You go to any job. If you're asking me, ma'am, do we have jobs? Yes, of course. I have it in front of you. How many job openings we have in Naukri for Power BI? Just Power BI? Key search. Do you see the number?
Around 30.
So we have enough
33,952.
openings.
Yes.
Now openings are increasing now, right? Because year is coming to an end. Correct. Now if I open anything, sorry. If I open any of this, you see here, when it goes to the requirements, responsibilities, preferred skills they're giving you, but educational background, do you see everything is mentioned?
Yes.
BTechs, MTechs, BEs, MAs, BSc, MSc, BCA, MCA. You see? BSc in any specialization, BTech, BE, any specializations are okay, right? Because to be very frank, specializations in your graduation doesn't matter here. When you get a data in front of you, how far you understand is what matters in analytics. Clear? For example, see now, suppose I have, okay, fine, let me go with milk packets example. That will be very simple. So on Monday, a person has purchased 2 milk packets. On Tuesday, the same example I'll repeat tomorrow also. Again, 2 milk packets. Wednesday, 0 milk packet because he didn't wake up. He's lazy like me. Thursday, again, 2 milk packets. Friday, again, he took 2 milk packets. Saturday, weekend. So friends are coming, 3 milk packets. Sunday, again, he took as usual 2. So again, when it comes to Monday, how many milk packets will he take?
2.
2.
So did you all work as milk vendors? You're answering it right. Did you all work as milk vendors? That's what you guys mean by non-80-80, right? Yes or no? That was all of your definition, right? If you understand the data, you will only understand the data only if you work in that domain. That's what your understanding was, right? Yes or no, guys? That was true, right?
Yes, correct.
Yes.
So now you are telling me the answer too. So did you all work as milk vendors every day in the morning?
No.
Based on
No,
data.
right?
It's just predicting.
Historical data.
Exactly. You're just trying to understand what has happened previously. You're understanding the data. You're understanding the data. Here it is very simple. The same way when you have larger data in front of you, when you're trying to analyze it, you're called a data analyst. But to analyze, you're using a tool called Power BI. Understood now?
Yes.
Yes.
Anyone can work on any data. Only thing is you have to spend some time understanding that. Clear?
Yes.
Hope I'm clear to you guys.
Yes.
Now from
Yes.
here, are you worried that you're technical, non-technical anymore? No, right? Anyways, you will learn SQL and Power BI. Forget about the tools. So coming to the data understanding, technical, non-technical, any confusions?
No. No.
Now you guys are
No.
confident that anyone can work on any data?
Yes.
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 It's actually yes.
Yes.
It's actually yes. Now, fine. Because this is the frequently asked question I usually have from people. That's why I started with it. Okay. So all of you have that question, no? Do we have job openings for Power BI? You have the answer? So I'm a non-IT person. Can I enter Power BI? Now you have the answer for that also?
Yes, they.
Yes.
Being a non-technical, can I cope up with this? You have the answer? Now only question you guys have is, ma'am, is it easy to learn SQL Power BI? Next question. Correct? Do you guys have this question? So when I talk about technical, non-technical, it was easy. But when it comes to learning a tool, simply it's just like your Instagram. Why am I comparing it with Instagram? So guys, you have Instagram. So Instagram is a application, correct? So if I am using it and if you are using it, if anyone is using it, are the options same or is it changing person to person?
Same.
Absolutely same. Correct. Worldwide, wherever you go, the tool is same, right?
Yes.
Yes.
But when it comes to coding, you have to think logical. But when it comes to tool, you have to click and that will happen. Correct.
Yes.
Similarly, is Power BI. It's a tool. Do you see it in front of you? It has lot of options. We have to just make use of it. Clear? So it's just like a tool. Understood? So tool, when you're designing a tool, it will be same worldwide, right? So you need not get confused, ma'am. Real time will it be same? It will absolutely be same. Because it's the same tool used worldwide, right? Correct. If it's not a tool, we have to think logically, then it will not be same. But here, because it's a tool, it has options fixed in its places, we have to click on it. What will happen if we click on the options is what is this course. Understood? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now, yes. So basically, coming to my, generally, I go with 4 sessions of demos. Always, I take session 1, general introduction, like I'm doing it now. Okay. And if you want to judge me how the course is going to be, you cannot judge me in 1 or 2 sessions. So obviously, I'm being very genuine. You cannot judge me on one day. I'll be talking about data and technologies because you guys have a lot of confusions on why Power BI, why not Tableau, what is data analytics, what is data science, what is cloud, why cloud when we have database. Do you have all these questions? You all don't have that questions, then I can skip this session too.
No, we have.
Yes, ma'am.
You guys have that questions in your minds?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
they
Yes.
do.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So first will be just our interaction so that all of us will be free to each other. Second, day 2, I will start with data and technologies where we will very clearly understand what is data engineering, what is data science, what is data analytics, then why Power BI, why Tableau, all this will be answered session 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
After understanding what is data analytics and all these technologies, then we will understand Power BI introduction. You will have on brief Power BI introduction. Clear? After that, we will have some understanding data. So suppose you have a new data, how to go through it. Like that session will be there and we will also have installations. Clear? Understood?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So after 4 sessions, then come to a conclusion whether you have to join the course or not. Clear?
Yes.
You need not take a decision immediately. Attend all 4 sessions, then come to a conclusion because see, a person can bluff for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. He cannot bluff every day, right?
Yeah.
So that's why I'm telling you, take your time for your decision. Let's travel 4 days, then come to a conclusion. I'm not forcing anyone to join. It's your choice. But only thing I can tell you is you will miss a very good sessions if you're not opting. That I can tell you. Okay. So coming back to the general introduction, the sessions will start with SQL first, then followed by Power BI. Why SQL first? Because Power BI is designed with no coding because in SQL, whatever queries we write are designed as options here. So from the basics, if you know what is happening when you write a code, so when you go to option, click there if something is happening, then you will understand it clearly. When you know from the basics very clear you are, when you're very clear on the basics, then it will be easy for you to understand on the tool side. Clear? So most of the SQL functions are available on Power BI. That's why if you're really perfect on SQL, it will be a very good choice for you to understand and quickly learn Power BI after SQL. Clear? That's why I start with SQL, then go with Power BI. Ma'am, how long is the duration of the course? I'll take 25 hours of SQL. Ma'am, when you say SQL, do you teach A to Z everything? No. I cover advanced SQL, which will help you guys to understand Power BI better. Whatever is required for Power BI, I'm going to cover in SQL. Clear? After 25 hours of SQL sessions, then you will have 30 hours of Power BI. Clear, guys?
Yes,
When
ma'am.
I'm saying hours because when I say days, so today is, for example, it's Feb 4th. When I say 10 days, immediately on 14th, you will be asking me, ma'am, 10 days ho gaya, what is it? You will forget that you will have Saturday, Sunday in between, right? It happens, right?
Yes.
That's why I'm mentioning in hours. Every day 1 hour session, so count how many days it would be. Sometimes we'll have 1.5 hours, sometimes we'll have only half an hour. Suppose if I'm teaching you joins topic. Joins is confusing is what everyone knows, right? So when I teach joins, if I teach any other topic, you will go under more confusion and pressure. That's why when I teach joins, if it's 30 minutes, I'll stop there itself. I don't want to burden and pile up and finish the course faster. I want students to learn the course along with me. Clear? Understood, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
After that, so this will be our course and this will be our duration and this is how the demo sessions would be there. Coming to the syllabus copy, you can contact admin of this batch to whom you guys contact. You can contact Harsha Technologies. They will be sending you the syllabus copy. Ma'am, how do you give the notes to us? So this is how I'll give the notes. For example, I have Power Query Editor. This is one module. Whenever I'm teaching you, see, I'll write like this. What is Power Query Editor? The data source which is important Power Query Editor known as query. As we perform editing transformation to edit the data in the query, hence it is known as Power Query. Like this, you will have explanation of what things you're learning. Clear? When it comes to data modeling, also you will have some explanation and things like this. And DAX also, see, one of the batches going on through DAX. So here we go like this. Each and every function which I'm going to cover, which and everything, whatever we are going to learn, you will have the notes for it. Clear? Everyday notes will be shared with you guys. Power BI when it comes, Power BI files will be shared with you. When it comes to SQL, SQL notes will be shared with you. And you will also be given time to execute in front of me in the initial 5 to 10 days until you get habituated with that coding, because you will be very new to the system sometimes. So this is how things goes in the beginning. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
As I told you, it's a general introduction. First, let me introduce myself now. So this is the institute name, obviously. So we are a working employees. So this is Devi. Coming to my, let me not go with my company names, packages, all this, because I cannot reveal that anyways. So let me talk about what I am good at in technologies. So I have started my career as a data science, and then I was very pro in coding on the Python side. My strong base was Python, but later due to some uh, like illness or something, you can imagine like it's a illness, I couldn't code so much. So I wanted, since the beginning I was also in the reporting tools, but then later I decided not to do coding anymore and take a break from coding for few years. So now I'm completely into the reporting. Previously I was in reporting along with data science, and now I'm completely into the reporting. So coming to the technologies I have worked on, I have worked on Tableau first initially and then shifted to Power BI. And so these are, other than these, I can also work on Nine as a reporting tool. And then coming back to the databases, I did work on MySQL, SQL Server, Teradata, Oracle, these databases. I'm coming to programming languages. I'm good at Python and the front end languages. And I can understand Java, but I cannot write because I hate it. I don't write Java codes. It's so lengthy. I'm lazy at writing. So then coming back to the next, other than programming language, coming to the cloud technologies, Azure is my cloud, but I do work on AWS as well. I can work on both Azure and AWS. So these are my cloud technologies. And my strong points are NLP, which is in data science, natural language processing. I'm a natural language processing specialist. And I'm also into the US healthcare most of the time. Now, presently, I'm not in US healthcare because previously I did work on US healthcare, and I'm a certified US healthcare analyst. You can call me a subject matter expert in when it comes to US healthcare. Okay. And then coming back to my background. So people whoever feels non-IT, especially for them, I am a graduate. When I completed my graduation, I'm a graduate from BSc Biotechnology, Genetics and Chemistry, and Masters in Biotechnology. This is my graduation. Any questions on my introductions?
No, I'm good, but it is very surprising from biotechnology background to technology.
That's why I tell people when it is non-IT, IT doesn't matter. You give me any business related data, I can give you an answer. So don't get
Uh, I,
scared. Trust me,
I,
I'll be a better example for you guys where everyone can cope up with these technologies. It's not that tough. It's very easy.
are you covering the real-time scenarios as well? Real-time project and real-time questions, interview questions?
Ah, exactly. I was about to come to that. May I know your name, please?
Kranti.
Kranti. What do you mean by real-time project? Can you answer that, please?
Real time means like how the project is implemented, what all are the frequent issues, or like they may ask like what all are the challenging issues
Mhm.
have you faced and how
Mhm.
did you resolve
Mhm. So you
and
are
the
just
timelines.
expecting that in real time what problems we might face and how do we resolve and what are the
Yes,
scenarios the project will be as and how to work on it. This you're expecting or you're expecting me to get the real data from office and help you here?
not exactly real data, but
Any data,
scenario.
but
Yeah,
scenarios how to
scenarios.
react
Yeah,
to that in the office, right?
yeah.
That
Mostly
is
we.
covered. Because I'm
Okay.
openly telling you guys, real time project won't be here. Because I cannot get my real time office data to here and tell you guys, right? I'm not allowed to do that, correct?
Yeah, otherwise some sample projects.
Exactly. Not sample projects. For when it comes to your programming or something, they might ask you projects, but when it comes to here, they'll ask you what domains have you explored. That will be on the BI side. BI interview would be really different. It will be like what scenarios you have faced, they'll ask you. And they'll also ask you what kind of challenges. Yes, they'll ask you that when it comes to the tool. And they'll also ask you what domains you have explored. This kind of questions will be there. Got it? So you can take any data from Kaggle, build at least 10 to 11 dashboards after the course, then only go to the interviews. Then you will get some experience. Am I clear, guys?
Yes.
How much
Yes.
ever you will try to learn, real time is anyways real time, correct? I'll
Yeah,
try to
it does.
explain you 99% of the options available in Power BI so that when someone shows you a picture in front of you and tell you build a dashboard like this, you will not hesitate, you will definitely do it. If you attend all the sessions and learn in every session. If I say if you attend my session, you will get a job, then you will tell me on the class, go sleep, off the class, then tell me, Mama, I attended, Mom. Where's the job? Don't come to me like that. Got it? Whatever I'm teaching, you also have to learn it, right? You agree with that?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's do learning together. I'm telling you together. Let's do learning together. Let all of us be supportive to each other. Anyways, there'll be a WhatsApp group created. I'll give some works, tasks. So all of you can mingle and do it in the sessions. You all can be very interactive. When I give a question, I will also leave you guys for a group discussion on the screen where all of you can discuss and tell me what to do and I'll do it in front of like that. We'll do some scenario based questions. I'll give you a query and ask all of you to write an output for it. This kind of sessions will be there. You can take like if you even take the back like feedback from the previous classes, what whoever is attending, they will give you the same. Because I do that sessions a lot. Okay. But only thing I expect from you guys is don't expect that if you want all this kind of session, you should not be very particular about this is the time where course have to be completed. Right? Because I will also need some time, right? To do these sessions. Yes or no? So it should go as a mutual decision. Is that clear, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So after
Yes.
the sessions are completed, then I will also tell you guys how to build your own resume. Then I will also tell you, suppose someone is coming to you and telling this is the data, how you have to start the work and how you can finish the work. That one complete demo on one random data will be there in the last. Okay. So as I told you guys, this is just general introduction and Q&A session. So any other questions, general questions, any other general questions? Because tomorrow anyways, you will understand about the technologies and all of that stuff. Any other general questions you have, you can shoot out your questions.
Yeah. What kind of effect of AI will be there on Power BI in
So
future?
what in future? So basically, Power BI effect on AI is AI mostly we say related to coding purpose. Okay. So in AI also, when we ask for a visual, they give the visual, they build the report. But what if a customer wants his own way of a report? There should definitely be a manual intervention, right?
Yeah.
Hardly 40% AI can take over Power BI. after 10 or 15 years. But to take complete handover of the reporting tool by AI, it will take around minimum of 30 years for sure from now. Okay?
Okay.
It might take over, but it will definitely need 30 years for sure. Because most of the AI is given by Microsoft. At the same time, Power BI is also by Microsoft. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Any other questions?
Yeah. Do we need to have advanced Excel knowledge?
See, guys, when you're coming to my sessions, I don't need anything to be learned by no prerequisites. Just come with a charged laptop and a charged brain, which you can use here. Suppose you had a fight with your girlfriend or boyfriend, forget it and come to the class. Don't ruin the class with that discussions, okay? Understood?
Yeah, sure.
Forget everything. Come here. I'll teach you from beginning, like A to Z. Everything from basics will be taught here to a pro level. Everything will be here itself. You need not learn no prerequisites, nothing. Only Windows laptop charged. Installations also I'll do. I'll tell you guys in one session we'll have installations. So just a charged laptop and your charged brains. If you're sleepy, start being interactive in the class. You will not feel sleepy. And I expect a very good interactive sessions every day. I don't want you guys to be just on mute, listen, go, sleep. I don't want that. After every topic I teach, I'll ask if you have any questions. You can interact with me, ask questions. I'll give you time to execute. Once you execute, if it is successful, only then I'll go to the next topic. That's how my sessions will be. It's not like I go teach completely, last 10 minutes, do you have any questions? The sessions won't be like that. It will be every topic throughout the class, we'll be talking to each other. Okay? So I hope this point is clear.
Yes.
Any other questions? Is there anyone who came to this class with reference? Or your friends, previous friends have learned and you come with reference? No one came with reference?
I don't have any particular reference because I was a 609 batch of PEGA here in Harsha Technology.
Okay.
But I have some health reason in between. That's why I dropped over that. But I want to continue something, and I saw this Power BI ad.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
got it.
Yeah.
I was here with the reference.
Whose reference are you with?
Vishal from your previous class.
My batch.
Yeah.
So I think you already got a review how my classes would be, right?
Yeah.
So whatever I told now, did your friends say the same how my classes would be there?
Yeah, exactly the same. He said it's gonna be 25 hours for SQL and 30 hours for Power BI.
And I don't want people to sleep in the class. I want everyone to talk in the class.
Yeah, that's true.
Guys, clear all of you? Someone wants to sleep, that's okay. Leave the class, go sleep, listen to the recording and come back to the next class. Again.
How
Okay.
how is the market now?
How
How
is
is
the
the job
market?
market?
You didn't see when I opened Naukri account in front of you?
Sorry, I missed it.
You missed it. Okay.
Yeah.
So I just typed the word Power BI. How is the market? Previously it was 800 when I
Yeah.
did it on December. Now this number is increased.
that- Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Got it.
Yes. Any other questions, guys?
Devi, I want to tell you one thing, please.
Sure, sure.
This time would be the school kids pick up time from school for me. 9 p.m. for you, it's 3:30 p.m. for me. So
Okay.
I may not be logging into the live session promptly or I may log in. It's after 20-30 minutes, or sometimes I may not log in at all, but I'll see the
Then be
recorded session.
then be with the active recorded sessions. Finish it every day so that next day session you will be ready.
Yeah, that's what I heard from your admin, what have told to me.
That should work.
Yeah, I'm just informing you.
Sure, that will work.
Yeah, thank you.
Any other general questions, guys? Because from tomorrow we'll go into the technical side. So let's not waste our time on general questions from tomorrow. So today let's finish the general questions.
Yeah, if people are not using this forum, let me use for another question, Devi.
Sure.
Is there any age restriction? Because I'm
No.
42 years completed.
No. Age restriction is
Okay.
not there.
Okay.
IT age restriction is removed. You don't have age restrictions, nothing. And especially for ladies who take a break, generally we have a lot of reasons to take a break, right?
Yeah.
Even though they have 15 years of break, still girls, I'll not say girls, I'll say women. Women are still having openings, especially for people who got a break in a career to do a quick start. But we just have to wait for that because women openings with a break will not be every time in a year. It will be once in a year. Okay.
Okay.
Any other questions, guys? If no questions, are you guys good with the general introduction? Was most of the questions you expected answered?
Yes, ma'am.
So shall we meet back tomorrow and start the technical side and understand what is data, what is data analytics, what is data science, and what is data engineering and all this stuff tomorrow?
Yes, Devi.
You all are good to do a quick start with these sessions?
Yes, Devi.
Yes, Devi.
So guys, and this first 4 session demo session, the class will start late by 5 minutes because I have to wait for people to join because they'll be new to this links. They'll take some time so that they'll not miss it. I'll start 5 minutes late. Okay.
Okay, Devi.
Okay then. So that's about it for today, guys. If any questions, please stay back and shoot out your questions. If not, you can feel free to leave and let's meet back tomorrow. Have a lovely day tomorrow as it's night. Thank
Thank
you, guys.
you.
Thanks for
Bye.
joining.
Thank you, Devi. You
Thank
too.
you, Devi.
Thank you,
I will
Devi.
have one
Bye.
last question, Devi. And if people
Yes.
leave, I'll just ask that.
Okay. When you say when people leave, I will ask definitely they'll stay back. I want to listen to that.
It is, I work for a corporate company called
Mhm.
EY, who is the competitor of Deloitte, but I work in as an executive assistant to the PPETs,
Mm-hmm.
partners, principals, and EDs and all.
Mm-hmm.
And I just want to shift my career to technology right now with this Power BI and
Instead of
SQL.
doing a immediate shift, do it something like this. It's similar to a management role, right?
Not management exactly, but yeah, it is not even middle-level management. It is
Similar to something like managing thing, right?
yes.
So when it comes to that, you know what? Even the managing side, they're expecting reporting tools nowadays, right?
Yeah.
So do a internal shift first.
Okay.
If you do an external shift, you will have to put a fake experience and all that. Don't do that. Instead, do an internal shift.
But EY is not very much famous for this Power BI and all. There are a lot many openings over there, but it's for the core.
You introduce it.
Okay.
Tell them let's introduce.
Okay.
If they're not allowing you to introduce, that's okay. Use their data, learn Power BI, come out of it and say you have experience in it. So when
Yeah.
they go for a background verification, they'll just check that whether you worked for the company or you worked for under that manager. That's all. What work you have done, they'll not go and check, right?
Yes.
If you are confident in the subject, you can clearly say, yes, I did work in that company. You have a genuine documents and you can say them, I did work on Power BI and answer the questions better in interview.
Yeah, this relativeness and I started related to the things because they asked me to do my process automation. I'm working on automation side around now with
Then
the
you can relate
Power
that
BI.
automation when I ask you to do, you must have some exposure to data as well.
Yes, yes, I have.
Start using that in Power BI. Do it yourself, learn it, then immediately use that for your experience later.
Yeah, even though I'm doing over there everything in Excel, now I wanted to do in Power BI as well. I create
Install
small
Power
dashboard.
BI, do the same thing in Power BI and see how it
Yeah.
works.
Yes, yes, I started doing. Even we have that top access is there, right? For Power BI also they have given to me, but
Nice. So
yeah,
you have
I
a chance
started.
to explore and put your own
Yeah.
experience, right?
Yes, yes.
You need not fake your experience
Yeah,
anymore.
I'm not going to do that, but internally
Exactly.
it may not be possible.
Internal,
But
if not possible, use your internal team and go out and make it as your experience.
yes, yes.
Okay.
But what the only my main concern is about the age, because the people are now it is all the young blood. Will I get the edge over there with this much of experience and all?
See,
How
very
much
simple.
experience I have to
Young
put?
blood, maybe one time when they take it, they might grasp it better. You spend 2 hours. When they're spending 1 hour, you spend 2 hours. But some knowledge on IT, what you have, a young blood will not have, right?
Yeah, might be.
You have your own advantages and they have their own advantages.
Yeah.
Only
How they
advantage will
can
be our
expect
study
this
brain will be reduced. The way we grasp things will be reduced little compared to the young ones.
Yeah, yeah.
So
That is there.
if they are spending 1 hour, let's spend 2 hours.
Yeah, because I don't want to downgrade myself because I'm getting a good package over there here. If I have to look
Exactly. That's why
outside
I'm
for the
telling you.
technology.
It's not
Yeah,
downgrading. Let's compete with them.
compete. Okay. Yeah.
Whatever you feel is a drawback of yours, only you know it, right? Just overcome.
Yes. Yeah. I'm just thinking all it is just a drawback over there. I'm just thinking like that only. If I have to put 4 or 5 years experience, should I? Yeah.
No, you
I took
can. After
fill
this
that
course,
gap.
definitely you can go with 4 to 5 for sure.
4 to 5. Thank you.
Sure.
If you give that kind of
No,
confidence.
that
And
confidence I give for sure.
yeah.
Definitely I do that. But I want people to be interactive in this session. I also get angry when people don't answer me sometimes. When I ask a question to a particular person, if they don't answer. See, to be on a precise note, I'll be like your 10th standard teacher. You all
Okay.
remember that until 10th standard, we never had backlogs and we don't have any subject failures, right?
Yes.
Do you all agree with me,
Yes.
guys? Do you all agree on this point?
Yes.
Yes.
Until 10th standard, do you all had any backlogs?
No.
No.
After 10th,
No.
intermediate you don't have, but of college?
No,
Yes.
Devi.
No, it's not about pharma. Pharma are so studious, I know. How about in general? In general, immediately intermediate passed out, backlog
Maybe
starts.
B.Tech persons have M1.
Yeah, yeah.
M1 as a
Not
Yeah.
backlog.
only M1. In general, people will have a backlog. Why? Because until 10th and 12th, if we're not studying, we have our mother and father with a leather belt ready at home.
Lack of concentration.
Not lack of concentration. Too much concentration into other things.
I agree.
Right? But after graduation, they'd stop beating us because we are grown ups and we'll have 2 ons on our heads and we stop studying. We'll have backlogs.
Yes.
Now, this is your career. Which teacher you want me to be? Before 10th or after 10th?
Be a before 10th teacher.
Even though you opt it or you don't opt it, I'll be before 10th. I'll yell at you guys also in between. I'll also be a friend. I'll also be a teacher. I'll also be a mentor. I'll play all the roles.
Yeah. It is so much inspiring when you are saying about the Python as well. I have developed interest on Python too, but I don't know where to
Mhm.
start and all. But probably after this course, when I complete this Power BI and SQL, I will take your guidance to pave my path in
I am
Python side.
ready to give the guidance all the time. But only thing is, when I give guidance, I expect the same interest from people. After a certain point of time, if interest is lost and you guys don't respond to me, I get frustrated. Now
Yeah,
you said no young blood.
yes.
That happens with me.
Okay, but I joined here with my pure interest only. But I tried so many things over there, but later I realized that data is my interest. And
No,
when
it
somebody,
takes time to come to your zone. Now, finally, you're saying that you have decided that this is your zone. So concentrate here now. Now, don't do a lot of shifts anymore. If you go with more and more shifts, you end up in confusion also sometimes.
yes, yes,
Don't go up and end up in confusion. Stick to one. Even though you feel it difficult, try a little more harder. Then you might feel it easy. Maybe, okay, then
sure.
attend 10 of my sessions, maybe. you will automatically understand whether you can go with this or will you understand my sessions or no. If you feel like 10 sessions also I will bluff, attend 15, 20, then take a decision. I don't have a problem. Because my
Sure.
nature of teaching will be same from the day 1 to day last. It will be the same.
Got your point.
Okay, guys. So shall we wind up and meet back tomorrow and start with the technologies tomorrow?
Yes,
Uh,
Devi.
Yes,
one,
definitely.
Yes, Swati.
yeah,
Swati, for
one,
your question, the answer is I am active in the chat box. Don't worry. Because I
okay,
was
yeah,
talking to someone, I was just on mute. I didn't
yeah,
answer your
sure,
question. So to
sure, sure.
answer your question, how do you want to contact me? Because see, very simple is you're telling that you will be waiting, you will be attending the class at least for 10 to 20 minutes sometimes, right?
May not be possible. Sometimes today I made it because it's
Exactly.
a first
You're
class.
saying sometimes it is possible, correct?
I'm not sure about it to say that today.
Then I cannot help you on that. If you want to contact me, hardly you will have a question. You will have a group, post your question in the group. Anyone from your batch also might respond to you and help you out with that.
Will you be available in that group? I heard about that WhatsApp chat group.
I might be available, but that is my external number. So during my class sessions and office sessions, I might not respond, but I will definitely respond. Maybe I will respond late.
Yeah,
If
yeah,
you keep
not
on
immediately.
messaging me once or twice or thrice, you will be in a block mode. So don't do that. Tell me once, I'll definitely respond. Okay?
That will not happen, but
Yeah.
later is also fine.
Yeah. Late is also fine. Then I'll definitely respond. That's not a problem.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, Sabita? Your question?
Hi, I have joined late to the class. May I know your good name, please?
So you joined the class by looking at a poster?
No, no, not the poster. Just I have late due to my some work. I couldn't
No, no,
explain
no.
it.
I'm not asking you why are you late to the class. How do
Okay.
you know that there is a demo going on here? Did you look at any poster advertisement or something?
No, like a WhatsApp group.
In the
Actually,
group, they
have
didn't mention anything about the trainer?
I didn't look up that.
Very good. You have to look up and then join. No, so okay, fine. I'm Devi.
Okay, Devi. Like I would like to know there whether this is a good technology to learn for the career gap student, like career gap employee. Actually, I have experience of 4.5 on the Windows Server admin. Now I would like
Sabita,
to.
1 second, sorry to interrupt. When did you join the class? Did you join this last 10 minutes?
No, after 9:20, 9:30
So
something.
9:20 or 9:30. Okay, fine.
Yes.
So basically, even though you have a gap or something, you have an open secret in IT, right?
Okay.
What to do if you have a gap?
Like I would like to switch my complete technology. Like I I
Yes,
have
you
worked
can
on
do that.
something.
See, that's what
No,
was the discussion in the initial beginning of the class. You can
no.
do it, no problem. That's it. Please go through the recording of today's, then you might be understanding better. Okay?
Okay, sure. Okay, okay.
Oh. Okay, then I think it's
Devi,
already 10, guys. I also have my client call. Yes, tell me. Be quick, please.
so yeah, actually for the BA process, I'm in business analyst, including with the Power BI and
This is
SQL.
not
So
business analyst. This
yeah,
is business intelligence tool.
okay.
Hmm.
So actually there is a for me there is a requirement of getting this course of Power BI and SQL, including business analyst. So do I need to get additional course for this, or will
Yes,
this course will be enough?
I'll tell it tomorrow. That will be covered tomorrow. Anyways, that is in the session when I cover it tomorrow. I usually do that. You will get that tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, okay, Devi, thank
Yes.
you.
Any questions? Any questions?
No.
Shall we wind up? Okay, then.
Yes.
Thanks for
Yes.
joining, guys. See you all back tomorrow. Let's have a learning together from tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a lovely day.
Sure, Devi. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank
Good
you,
night.
Devi.